In this video, we are going to show you how to get a Shopify $1 per month deal. That's right, you heard that right, $1 per month. So if you want to save money on your Shopify subscription, watch the video. So here, all you need to do is click on the link we have provided on the description below. It's going to bring you to this page that you're seeing right now on your screen. And all you need to do is enter your email address here. So in this setup, you can try Shopify for 3 days. And then the succeeding 3 months, you're going to pay only $1 per month. That is a deal. That is an amazing deal, right? And then so all you need to do is click on your email here. Here you'll be needing to enter or create your password. So let's do that right now. There you go. Click create Shopify account. In this page, you're going to see this pop up here. It's going to ask for your payment options. Don't worry. All you need to do is click on skip here on the bottom right corner of the pop up, like so. And it's going to ask you the typical Shopify questions. So skip customize setup. There you go. And as you can see, your new account has now been set up. You have 3 days left in your trial. And then afterwards, you need to pay only $1 per month for the next 3 months, and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.